Oo.
Ay nako. Ang destination namin, sentro lang kami lahat.
So yung bahagi rin na yan, medyo ano no, medyo paakyat kasi tapos enclosed kaya yun yung mahirap lang na part siguro. Ganun lang ba yung part na yan? Wala na dito? Open na yan, sige. Medyo pahirapan yung assault dito, pero hopefully short lang. Yeah. Yun, eto na. And this is tupi.
If I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you.
Okay, good morning. So mula dito sa Tupi, South Cotabato. So sinamahan tayo ng kaibigan natin si Chano para mapuntahan yung viewpoint na to. So this is, ang tawag nila is Secret Place. So kung tatanungin nyo ko kung saan, secret place. It's a secret. So bawal sabihin. So maganda manood dito, sunrise viewing. So yung sunrise viewing kanina, at the same time yung napakagandang viewpoint ni Mount Matutong. And dito sa bandang baba niya, and yung town, so that is Tupi, South Cotabato. Ayun, so nandito kami ng 30 minutes lang na mini hike, and makikita na natin yung napagandang scenery dito. So again, so this is Tupi, South Cotabato. So ito na yung itsura ng trail na dinaanan namin kaninang madilim pa. So basically yung burol na to ay taniman, farm, and usually mais yung tinatanim daw nila. So, ito pala yung view ng trail na dinaanan namin kaninang madilim pa. So ganito yung itsura niya.
Later.
So 30 minutes na motor ride galing sa Tupi. Yan, pupunta natin yung isang magandang viewpoint dito na recommended ng kaibigan natin na si Chano. So ayun na yung ayan, yung rock formation na yun, yung magandang viewpoint. Ano ulit na barangay ito, Chano? Lampitak. So dumaan. May isan na eh. Kawayan pa rin. Eh, masukal na yung daan dahil mukhang walang pumupunta dito.
At saka walang may nakakaalam.
Oo.
Sobrang secret place. Sobrang secret place.
Another secret place.
Sobrang secret place. Ayun.
Ito guys yung landscape ng Municipality of Tampakan.
Tawag na ko balik kay
Barangay Lampitak.
Kung lahat po nang nakikita nyo, sa amin yan.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
So almost 30 minutes din kami nagstay dito. So amazing landscape yung makikita natin dito. So another secret place dito sa South Cotabato na pwedeng i-explore. So sa mga magtatanong kung nasaan to, ang tawag pa rin nila dito is secret place. So hanapin nyo na lang kung saan. So, napakaganda na ng sunset. Kaya lang pag hinintay kasi namin yan. Yan, galing dun sa bato, baka madilim na bago kami makabalik ng main road. Pero yan, amazing sunset.
Later.
Yan, after ng whole day na paglilibot dito sa Tupi, so din sa nearby municipality. So try natin tong camping area, Aguhu yung pangalan, which is nandito lang din sa paanan ng Mount Matutu. So, Mount Matutu hindi lang makita dahil madilim, pero wow, ganda. Ganda ng lugar na to. So tingnan natin bukas kung ano appearance ng paligid.
Lutang mga bag.
Kain tayo ng pastil or dinner.
The next day.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone.